Let's solve this equation without expanding everything. First, let's bring all the terms to the left-hand side. We can rewrite the subtracted cube in this form. Using the properties of exponents, we can combine these under a single exponent like this. Simplifying inside the brackets gives us the following form. We set a equal to 1 minus 2x, b equal to 4 minus x, and c equal to 3x minus 5. Notice that a plus b plus c equals 0. By applying the standard cubic identity, when a plus b plus c equals 0, a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed simplifies to 3abc. Therefore, our equation reduces to this. This means that either 1 minus 2x is 0, 4 minus x is 0, or 3x minus 5 is 0. Consequently, the solutions are x equals 1/2, x equals 4, or x equals 5/3.